When you think of restoring a tooth, you can think of it as like a house. Some houses need siding, and some houses just need a new roof and maybe some of the windows changed and some new paint. When you look at that analogy and you try to transfer it to teeth, it's the same. Hello, my name is Damon Jenkins. I am the practice owner of the Jenkins Dental in Coventry, Connecticut. One of the dental procedures we offer here at Jenkins Dental is the Smile Makeover procedure. That procedure involves either crowns, veneers, or other restorative materials to basically transform the patient's smile. So the new smile treatment is for anyone who wants to, let's say, change their smile for cosmetic reasons. Maybe they have some staining, maybe they have cracked teeth or chipping, and they want to have everything kind of restored to that new Hollywood smile. We can not only restore their function, but they're also going to have a beautiful new smile as well. We like to use technology and software to actually be able to model teeth before actually having to treat the teeth. So in patients who have broken down or even decayed or fractured teeth, we're able to kind of see what the tooth needs to look like before we actually start to treat it. So we try to leverage the technology not only to educate the patient, but also in diagnosis. If someone's looking for a new smile, the reason why they should choose the Jenkins Dental is because we're going to listen to them and we're going to take the time to really dial in what's going to not only make them look beautiful, but feel beautiful.